Hi, today I want to show you this ottoman, this fold-up ottoman. It's got the two side pockets. It's leather. Solid, sturdy. The lid fits on really well. And it has, of course, the bottom that just sets right in there with the little tab. It's pretty big on the inside and sturdy enough to fit things in, and probably for a small child to sit on. I'm sure it has a weight limit, but took me less than 10 seconds to unfold and put together, and the lid fits well. It's a very nice looking ottoman.
Hey, let's talk about this new ottoman I got off of Amazon. It was so easy to assemble. Has a total storage space of 45-liter, which is just plenty of space for me. It's got the little side pocket. You can put your mail in there, remotes, magazines. I like to use it to sit on and put my shoes on. Other things you can do with it, you can use it as a footrest. And I'll tell you, it is nice and cushiony. One more idea. This is what I actually bought it for. I bought it for shoe storage, but you can throw the dog toys in.
This is so sturdy. Like, it really is. And then you have this. So I'm just keeping my makeup in here. This is perfect.